Hey guys, this is Vince,
This is Sean.
and today we'll be showing you what this device called the Ultrawave Mass Sterilizer does. Okay, so we got this device in Korea and it helps us stay clean and safer. What I mean by clean and safer is, of course, the pandemic exists and we like to wear a reusable mask, but sometimes we don't know that the masks get dirty. And we can use this device to help clean it up and, be safer.
This product has two different parts, the sterilization part and the cover. It serves three very important functions. First, to dehydrate, second, to disinfect, and third, to sterilize. There's a huge difference between disinfection and sterilization because in disinfection, it kills all the harmful bacteria within whatever you're trying to disinfect. However, sterilization kills all the microorganisms that is on what we're trying to, sterilize, even if they may not be harmful.
Okay, so the device first uses air to dehydrate the mask so the bacteria clumps in one spot. Then it uses UVC lights to disinfect the mask, and it uses UVC light again to sterilize the mask. The UV lights aren't strong at all, but it's strong enough to clean the mask, so it's very eco-friendly and harmless.
When we're talking about UV light, we're talking about ultraviolet light. It's a non-visible type of light that emits radiation. We most commonly see it from the sun and in fluorescent light bulbs, and constant exposure to it can cause cancer. However, in our case, we're using it for something good, the sterilization and killing of bacteria and diseases. UV rays, if exposed to bacteria and viruses, can kill them all based on the dosage and the strength of the UV rays. According to the FDA, it can kill the virus that causes COVID-19. This product is super safe on the human because there's no direct exposure to the skin, so there's no risk of getting cancer.
Okay, so now we're going to put the mask in the sterilizer. So you want to turn it on by holding it for 2 seconds, and then you'll see the light go beep beep. And you're going to open it, and you're going to shove the mask in. Okay, so once you shove the mask in, you want to put the sterilizer back on, and you want to click it once. Hey, you want to click it once to turn on the fan and to dehydrate it. And if you click it just another time, it just disinfects it, and 3 times it's just the fan. So you want to click it once to have both features. And now we're just going to wait 10 minutes and we'll show you when it's done. Okay, so now we're finished and 10 minutes has passed. So now look at this. It smells so much better. It smells so much better and it feels so much cleaner on my face. It's really refreshing.
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you guys want. And what the text?
What the text?